Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the cannot connect to App Store error on your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. On newer iPhones, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. On older iPhones, swipe up from the bottom. Check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If needed, switch between them and try again. Step 2. Restart your iPhone or iPad. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Restart your device and check if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Update your iOS. Open Settings, tap General, select Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Step 4. Reset all settings. If the problem persists, reset your settings without losing data. Go to Settings, General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Enter your password if prompted. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.